Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add invoice information to the Aegean application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And once it is loaded, you should scroll down till you find the invoice information section. Tap on it. Then you should type in your company's name, your occupation, your invoice email address, then your company address, your tax office, VAT registration number, your city, the area. You should select the country or region, and your postal code should be added too. If you are done with adding all these details, click on the Update Invoice Details button down below and everything will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.